Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. In today's walk around video, we're looking at pre-owned certified 2022 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive. This 5-seater SUV comes with 1.5-liter engine and paired with the continuously variable transmission. This powertrain produces 201 horsepower along with the 225 pound-feet of torque. Exterior features here at the front including LED fog lamps, LED headlamps, and LED day running lamps. Safety sensors integrated into the front part of the vehicle. Front camera. Chrome details here, a molding around the grille, and 18-inch wheels with alloy rims and black over fenders with the splash guards. Features on the side including silver painted roof railings, roof integrated shark fin antenna, privacy rear windows with tint, body color door handles with keyless entry on all 4 doors, body molding, and exterior mirrors with integrated turning light and blind spot monitor. And here we have our key fob, which has a remote starter and lock unlock buttons. Here's our driver door, and it has some fabric inserts just like our seats. And we have power doors and power windows in here, along with the power exterior mirrors and window lock. Leather like soft touch materials here with contrast stitching, speaker, bottle holder, storage compartment on the side from tilted and telescopic steering wheel. Here on the side we have a steering assist on off button and a brightness adjustment for driver informational gauge cluster. In front of us we have steering wheel with the different controls, and behind the driver informational gauge cluster with the tire pressure monitoring system. On the steering wheel here we have also paddle shifters on the left and right side. Audio controls, driver informational gauge cluster controls, more audio controls right here. Our adaptive cruise control with front sonar sensor. And we have hands-free here and voice intelligent assistant. In the center, multimedia with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. And underneath we have the same contrast stitching as on the door. And here we have air vents and dual automatic climate control with air conditioner and heated front seats and heated steering wheel right here. Front windshield de-icer with the rear window defroster. We have engine start stop button right here, push button start, USB-C port, 12-volt outlet, and storage with the anti-slip surface. Here our gear shifter. 2 cup holders, multi-terrain select for different driving modes like eco, sport, snow, and there is on the top off-road. Here we have electronic parking brake with auto hold, and here's our storage compartment, storage bin. Area in front of the front passenger including this dash and glove box. And power doors with windows on the front passenger door. Overhead console including rear view mirror, airbag indicators, map lights for driver and front passenger, SOS button for roadside and emergency assistance. We have panoramic roof in here, and this is the sunshade for panoramic roof and the powered sunroof as well. Sun visors are pretty big and they have integrated mirror in them with the light. Rear passenger area including children's safety locks in each rear door, powered windows, bottle holders and speakers, storage pockets behind the driver and the front passenger seat. At the back of the central console we have air vents and USB and USB-C port. All-weather rubber mats across the cabin. This is our rear seats, and here's the optional armrest with cup holders. Seats could be folded, children's seat anchors at the bottom, and seats could be folded 60-40 in order to form a flat cargo space. Seats in this Nissan Rogue made of fabric, black and gray color fabric. And here's our headrest. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support. Front passenger seat is manually adjustable. And here we have a compartment where you probably can store your purse or other not too big of items. Moving to the back here, we can see our tail lights, which is some of them are LED, and we have rear spoiler with high mounted stoplight and privacy rear glass with wiper, Nissan badging. Here we have backup camera, 2 lights, parking sensors at the back, and we have manual lift gate here and bumper protector. Here's our cargo space with the children's seat anchors at the back of the second row as well. We have 12-volt outlet at the back and spare tires stored underneath the cover. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2022 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive that we have here in stock. This SUV comes with the heated front seats and steering wheel, multimedia with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth, panoramic roof with powered sunroof, multi-terrain select with off-road, snow, and sport mode, dual automatic climate control, and so much more. Stop by to take this Nissan for a test drive. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.